So I'm hitting snags in my appeal process, just trying to figure things out. Right now I'm just trying to get the resources in context. I'm trying to understand the resources. I found the website, I found the link, I have the paperwork, I see it right on the computer, but I'm in a position where I ask, do I print off this paperwork? Do I pay 20 cents a page to file the indigent paperwork to get the free filing? Do I pay the 20 cents to print off the 6 pages, pay what, $1.20, and then fill it out by hand and then take it to the courthouse annex? Because the Court of Appeals is located in Salem and I can't drive all the way out there, so it's either a matter of trying to see if the Clerk of Courts, if I could take the paperwork to my indigent like fee waiver for my appeals process, see if I can take that 6-page paperwork to the Clerk of Courts annex, the courthouse annex in North Bend's, take it to the Clerk of Courts and say, can you ship this to Salem? Do I mail it to Salem courts myself? I think I recall seeing that address, or do I try to do the e-file? Okay, and I've been looking at the e-file a little closer. Apparently it needs a case number, but I could be in the wrong section because there's a lot of choices. I'll put all the relevant links in the description, but there's a lot of options there to choose from, and I'm trying to figure it all out. And it's not just for this $50 ticket. If I'm going to continue to get in legal trouble in Oregon, I could get something worse, so I might as well get familiar with this process as quickly as I can for a $50 ticket, because I'm sure there's other bad towns around that I might have some even worse trouble in. So I'm looking into this process. I can see the paperwork, I just don't know where to. It looks easy enough to fill out. Okay, I have I see the paperwork for the indigent, where I waive the fee of $391 for the paperwork of doing I'm doing appeal, for doing the appeal. That appeal paperwork, that's a lot to print off. They got a lot of instructions. I need to like cut off that instruction part and just only print off. If I have to print off the part you fill out, which is maybe 5 pages, and that looks pretty easy too. Okay, the paperwork, it looks pretty easy to fill out, but where to send it now, how to send it, because e-filing looks attractive. That costs a little bit of money, but if I could qualify for the fee waiver, which apparently there's a way to do that, then I can avoid maybe even paying the e-file charge. I'm not sure. I want to call this legal help. That's just like a walking distance for me, but they now that they're short on staff, they require everybody to call. No knocking, no walk-ins, and it's been that way. It's been temporary for the past 2 months. So I've been trying to secure a phone, and Ribbit Hop offered this website for the pay phones. I checked 2 places. Okay, one closest to the library, and then I also checked out the Safeway. Neither one have payphones, but the Safeway said that I could use their regular phone, and it's a 1-800 number. So maybe I'll run down to Safeway and then just start calling from their customer service desk. Instead of a payphone, I'll use the customer service desk. I didn't really look for other payphones yet, but I marked them all on my Google Maps, okay, just in case. Okay, but yeah, I've been trying to just take in all this information. I have 30 days to write an appeal, okay, and it's been almost a week, so I need to keep on it and keep trying to figure out what proper steps need to be taken.